Sir,
she's member also.
no, I'm just wanting to intervene for a minute. It's just an intervention. Have patience. Have patience. Just something very
No,
important.
please.
Sir, I want to make an observation, sir. Dr. Shashi Tharoorji, you're a very learned and senior member. It's very enriching to listen to his ideas every time he participates in the debate. So he said a lot of good things, sir. But I didn't want to disrupt him in the middle of his speech, but I hope I heard you correctly. You said something in between which I don't much agree to. So you mentioned, if I heard you correctly, I repeat, that there are lots of women, there are lots of girls who are entering the field of science and technology, and hopefully we would see many of them working under our space programs. So unlike our parliament, they wouldn't need reservation to be a part of the space program. I don't much agree to this, sir. It's not very appropriate.
Okay.
Please take it in a healthy light, sir.
Okay.
Yesterday, listen to me, sir. Let me complete. Just yesterday, we passed a very historic bill providing reservation to women inside the parliament. So it doesn't sound very appropriate because, women don't just have these here because of and we should never.
नहीं ये इस ढंग से डिबेट तो नहीं चल सकती. नो प्लीज सिट डाउन. हाँ बस क्विक आप बैठ तो जाइए. नहीं आप बैठ जाइए.
Your party has supported this very historic bill,
श्री ए राजा,
which
please.
means you agree to the idea of providing reservation to women for them
बैठ
to
जाइए.
reach
जी आप बैठिए प्लीज. ओनली ए राजा. ओनली नो आप भी बैठ जाइए. बाद में बात कर लीजिएगा प्लीज मिस्टर ए राजा. नो एक सेकेंड.